It's a breezy, rainy day today, but I thought I would come over to a local park and test out this app you can get for your phone or tablet. It's called Agents of Discovery. It's supposedly for kids. It's a thing that works by GPS, and you can download different missions, they're called, for different parks depending on where you live. Supposedly it's good for parks all over North America. But the object is you roam around within this area, and you, by GPS, you locate these certain spots on the map. It's called Agents of Discovery, and I'm going to try it out here in my local park. We'll see what happens. The first thing you do is scan the area for challenges, they're called. The blue dot in the center is me. The blue rays indicate which way you're facing. So you're supposed to find something and then go look for it. Let's see. I don't see nothing. Let me try this again. I'll try going towards this green marker. See what happens. It says go this way. I guess it means to follow this road. Follow this road here, okay. Whoop, wait a minute. Where am I? Where am I? Okay. Alright, can you see that? Can you see it? Okay. It says go this way. Go this way, Dave. Okay. Okay, I found one of the challenges. Let's see. Come on, man. I'm right here. I'm at the dumpster. They want me to climb into the dumpster? I don't get it. Right here. I'm right here. That's as close as I'm gonna go. No, I'm not gonna climb into the dumpster. Sorry. Next challenge, please. It's like a skating rink. Skating on mud. Oh boy. This is some kind of fun. Look at that. Check it out. I'm gonna fall on my butt. The geese are not friendly. Yeah, you heard me. Stuck up goose. Go join your stuck up pals. Yeah.